Oh man, check this out. Want to smell this for a while. So let me open this here. So let me open it here. And oh man, how beautiful a box this is. I'm kind of surprised. There's several recommendations and figured why not. Let me pull this here. And there it is. So let's go see what it smells like. Alright you guys, this is essentially what it looks like. And I found this through many YouTube videos, so I just wanted to check it out. This is my literally first impressions of this. So can't smell it through the bottle, so let's give it a shot here. Wow, that smells really nice. I am actually pleasantly surprised. This is super, super. Oh man, that smells really good. I'm pleasantly surprised, especially at the price point. I am going to leave a follow-on video to Tom Ford Noir Extreme as the review. And I will also leave my Instagram, which I'm there more than I am on here on YouTube. And thank you guys very much and have a wonderful day.